Hello everybody, Mark Sullins from AM Pressure Washing, and today we're going to do our grand reveal. This week has been phenomenal. Thank you from Slavin Group, Slavin Group, Jerry. I keep saying this, botching his last name, but Jerry was here all week. He just left yesterday. So he brought the RO system in for the trailer, so I'm going to give you a little quick rundown and tell you what it's all about. So first and foremost, to be able to run this trailer with this RO system, I've got a PowerTech 12K generator. Shout out to PowerTech. So we got this installed. We have an 84-gallon fuel tank that Jeff Davey from Devious Customs built. That's inside where the generator should be at. We took the counter part on the inside, built a custom aluminum fuel tank and slid it down inside this compartment. And so this compartment's dummy now, it's a fuel tank. Jeff put a door here, so when you put the key in the door and open it up, it automatically turns the power on to the fuel gauge. You open it up and you can see where your diesel's at. It's got a light up fuel gauge. If you're working at nighttime, you can see where your fuel's at. So shout out to Jeff Davey at Devious Customs. Love you, brother. All right, let's go around to where all the magic's at. So on the inside, this trailer is the Continental trailer. So the Trailer Zone, my local trailer distributor, Dalton, hooked us up with a nice Continental trailer. So this trailer is a race trailer. So you got your race cars that come in here. So that's why it has all of these cabinets. We got all of the pit pal holders that come with it, all of your brackets that come with it, the pit pal. We got all those installed yesterday. Right here is the internal control panel for your generator. All you do is just hit run, it fires up and it's ready to go. So Jerry hooked us up with a RO system. So this is it's technically a 12 cylinder RO with 2 DI. This is your control panel. So you got your sediments, and then you got your carbon block right here that keeps everything clean, and it produces your RO water back to your storage tank. So this system right here we built to be able to feed the JCB skid steer. That skid steer has a volume of 6 to 10 gallons per minute with 22 tips that spray the panels and spray the brush. So to feed that monster, we had to build a monster. So Jerry has been working on this. This has been a 6 months project building this system because he put nothing but the best in all of the pumps, the fittings, the gauges. Everything in here has nothing but the best. It's the top of the line. This is a one-off system. There's not another person in this world that has this system right now. Me and Jerry has been going back and forth on videos and doing conference calls, building this thing. We even set it up to where I can individual test every filtration system. So you get your TDS meter, you need to check it because if you got one bad filter, you don't want to replace every one of them because these things are $700 a piece. So I can get my TDS meter and check every filter. The one that's bad, we take it offline, we change the filter out, and you're ready to rock and roll again. So we put a lot of thought into this system like we do with everything we build to make sure it's dummy proof, it's easy to run, and the end user won't have a problem with it. So we got everything fired up, got everything tested, got any leaks. We only had 2 little bitty leaks, and one of them was mine and one of them was Jerry's. It was just something simple. Re-Tefloned everything, put it back together, and we're all good to go now. So with this system, this is a storage tank. It's a 330-gallon storage tank. So with this storage tank, it can fill up the tank on the tractor twice. So that's how much water this one tank can fill. So we have a 15 gallon per minute return rate from this system. So this is our transfer pump. Now this pump right here, you hook your hose up on the outside, and that's what goes to your tractor or to the truck. The truck is also going to have a storage tank for water. So it can go out into the field and bring water to the tractor. So you turn your ball valve on, hook the hose up to the truck or tractor, push your on button. This is 125 gallons per minute. So within 1 minute and 12 seconds, it can fill the tractor and you're back off to cleaning panels again. So it's like NASCAR. All this is a fuel station, but it's for water. And you're just nonstop doing the water and going and cleaning panels. So that way you're not, out there in the field wasting fuel and wasting time, waiting for water to come. Everything's gonna be brought to you, and it's just a non-stop turnaround time. So that's 125 gallon per minute electric pump to get you your water. Back here, as everybody knows me, I'm anal about keeping everything nice and clean, and I take care of my equipment. This equipment is not cheap. You take care of your equipment. So at the end of the day, when you're done cleaning panels, you pull the tractor here to the back, you just turn on your power switch, you pull your hose out, and you pressure wash your brush, you pressure wash your tractor before you put it away. And that way everything's nice and clean and ready for the next cleaning. So I put electric pressure washer. This is 3,000 PSI at 4 gallons per minute pressure washer. So everything's electric and everything's ready to rock and roll. So everybody, I hope you like the trailer. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, give me a shout out. I am so overwhelmed with this thing, but it's so nice because we wanted to build the best of the best and be able to produce it and show it to our customers, our followers, and anybody else in the future that wants a system like this. So what AM Pressure Washing is doing, not everybody can afford a tractor, the sun brush, a RO system, and then the truck to be able to pull the system and haul the tractor and pull the trailer. So we built this whole complete system. What AM Pressure Washing is going to offer to everybody out there, if you need your solar panels cleaned, in farms, solar panel farms, you can call us, you can sub the work out to us, we'll give you a price per panel, and we'll come out and clean them for you. And then you save your money that you put on there for profit, and you buy yourself a system like this someday. But until then, if you're starting to get contracts, you got customers that are wanting for you to clean their solar panel farms, and you don't have this equipment, all you gotta do is give me a call. 951-440-9063. AM Pressure Washing will be more than glad to come out there and clean these panels, and I will sign a non-compete so I don't take your customer away from you, and we will go out there and clean the panels for you. It's very simple and very easy. All you got to do is give me a call. Call me and we'll go over it, and we'll be more than glad to clean the panels for you. So if you got any questions, give me a shout out. Everybody give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you like everything that's going on, the only thing we have left is the truck. The truck will start being built the 19th of this month, and I should have it the first week of July. So we'll get the truck built, we'll get all this hooked up, pulled out, and we're gonna start filming everything. We're gonna show you the tractor in use and show you how everything works. We're gonna show you how we transfer water over from the trailer to the tractor and from the truck to the tractor. And we're gonna show you all this stuff running and give you a video so then you can understand it and you can see what I'm talking about. So if you got any questions, give me a shout out, everybody. Thank you for your time. I appreciate you following me. I appreciate you giving me my thumbs up. And if you got any questions, give me a shout out. Everybody have a great day. Peace.